Hey guys, this is Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you a beginner's tutorial on how you can use Zendesk. So here we are in Zendesk, and if you haven't created your account, you would be probably needing your free trial right here. All you have to do, go to zendesk.com, and you can see this right here. And you can just provide your work email, and then after that Zendesk would send you an email so that you can follow the next steps so that you would be able to log in and sign up for Zendesk and avail their free trial right here. And if you don't know what Zendesk is, it's basically a tool for customer service. And as you can see right here, best in class customer service for all, build stronger customer relationships through AI powered support experiences and advanced assistance tools. And if you'd like to learn more about Zendesk, you can go and scroll down and you can click on view demo right here. Click on view demo, and then you can do it right here. You can provide your work email, your problem. And then from here, you can go for the customer tour, agent tour, admin tour, and sell tour right here. You can watch this video if you'd want more idea about Zendesk. But we're not going to be dwelling deep into this. So yeah, just like I said, all you have to do is provide your work email right here to sign up. And then you would be able to log in once you have received the email, and after that you would be prompted right here once you're logged in. So now right here, what I want to tell you first is the plans available for Zendesk right here. So in case you're interested in buying a plan, you can just click here, right here, click on compare plans, and then you can see the plans right here. I'm just gonna show you the prices real quick right here. So let's just wait for it to load right here. So this is the plans that is available for you. You have the suite enterprise, suite professional, suite growth, and the team one right here. So these are the prices right here, and for the support only, this would be the prices and this would be the features right here. So now that I'm showing you that, then let's go back and we'll be discussing the features of Zendesk right here. So right here, what you want to do first is go into dashboard right here, and you can see the sample tickets that we have right here, and you can see all the tickets that you have in your account right here, and you have your open tickets right here. So this is you, and then for the groups right here, so this is your tickets, and this is for the group tickets right here, and good and bad and solved tickets, you can see it right here. And when you want to view something right here, the bad tickets, then you can just click on bad, you can click on solve, you can also click on groups, and for the you or your tickets right here. And then you can just go into any of this that you want right there. So the dashboard is basically where you can see all your tickets right here, your stats on the tickets. And then the next thing is that I'm going to show you this buttons right here on what this does. So the first one is this home icon. So right here, this is the home icon right here. It gets to the dashboard, and you can see the tutorial right here. This is also for beginners. So if you're interested in this, then you can also follow these instructions, and you can also watch the videos right here. And we also have this right here. So this one is for the views. So your unsolved tickets, you can see it right here. You can also see the unassigned ticket, all unsolved tickets, recently updated tickets, and so on right here. So you can see it right here when you want to view your tickets. And you can see here the requester, requested, type, and the priority right here. So this is typically what it does, this icon right here. So the next one is this one. So in the customers, we have some samples right here. As you can see, we have a lot. And from here, you can add your customer by clicking on add customer right here. And you can also see the actions. So you can also import your customer right here. So for example, you have another account here in Zendesk, and you have exported your customers right here. Then you can just import it right here so that you won't have to manually add them one by one in order for you to have them on this account. So you can also search for your customers right here. And then the next thing is this one right here, the organizations. So as you can see, I only have one organization, which is myself right here that I have created. And as you can see, all your organizations is in one place. Your organization list have moved from support settings and got a makeover. Now it's easier to view and manage your organizations on this page, and so on. And then you can also do the same thing, the bulk import and add organization right here. And I think You can also do the same thing right here on the tickets. Right here, you can also export as CSV. You can edit the view. You can clone the view. You can even play right here. Same available. As you can see, when you play the ticket, this would be what it would look like right here. And yeah, that is basically it. And you can just go and play this ticket right here. You can see the requester, the assignee. You can see the conversation right here. You can see the tags. Tags is really important in organizing your customers and your tickets right here. But we're gonna be going through all of this in a while. So let's just go and continue and discussing the icons right here. And then the next one would be this one right here, which is this one, reporting right here. So as you can see, this is where you get your reports right here. And if you want to play the video for the tour of the new reporting and the new update of Zendesk, then you can also just do it right here. And you can go and take me to explore right here, and you can just do it right here and go to talk live. You can see the current queue activity and the overview right here. You can see the graphs and the stats right here of your reports and Zendesk Explore right here. But we're not gonna be digging into this one right here. And as you can see, we're launching your Zendesk Explore account. It may take a couple of hours depending on the number of tickets on your Zendesk support account. So yeah, it's not yet available. And the next thing is the settings right here. So we have this. You have your macros. It's basically the same stats right here on how many automations you have, triggers, views, macros, and so on. And yeah, that is basically it for the icons. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a ticket. So to do that, we simply need to go here, and let's go here, and we would have the add ticket right here. So let's just close this right here. So once you have closed that right here, you can see the add button right here. So from here, you can create a ticket, user, organization, or you can just search right here. So in this case, we'll be creating a ticket right here. And then from here, as you can see, it's a new ticket. And then you can set the requester right here. So for example, you can add a new user right here. You can add a new user. So let's say we will name this is a sample user. And then sample user at gmail.com. And then you can choose the user type, which is the end user or the stop member right here. You can just go and choose what you want. In my case, I'll just go for end user and click on add. And right here, you can see the assignee also here. So you can assign a member from your team on which you want to talk to this requester right here in order to solve his or her problem. And in this case, I'll just go for click on support, and then I'll just pick myself right there. And then for the followers right here, this is just optional. So if you have some supervisor or someone that you want to follow on this ticket right here, so you can also do this aside from the assignee, so that there would be two eyes that will be monitoring this ticket right here. So this could be also helpful. And you can click here on follow, and as you can see, you are now following this ticket right here. So you'd be getting notifications about this ticket. And for the tags, just like I said earlier, that this is very important in organizing your tickets right here and your users and so on. So you can also use this tag. So for example, this is an urgent ticket. Then you can just type urgent and hit enter, and you now have the tags right here. And this is very really useful in organizing your tickets and everything right here in Zendesk. You can even mark it as support, tech support, maybe tech support right there. You can do it like this one, and you can see the type. So this might be a question or an incident or a problem right here. Since it's tech support, I think we should go and go for problem, and then priority. You can set a priority right here of this ticket, and I'd say since it's tagged as urgent, I'm gonna go for urgent. And the topic would be right here. As you can see, if it's not right here, then you can simply just type it right here if it's not right here. And yeah, and you have the other right here if it's not right here, but you can't really type it right here. For example, is example topic right here. I'm gonna press enter, and as you can see, you cannot do it right here. So you can just go for other if it's not about delivery or order. And then from here, you can write the subject for this. Let's say this ticket is about tech support right here. So problems on getting on using this product, maybe like that, and gonna go there. And then you can just basically just write here your solution to the problem of the requester. So I'm just gonna go and type a random one, and after that you can just go click submit as new right there. And when you go back right here, you can see that it has now been sent right here. And by the way, in sending message, you also have these options right here. So you can attach a link right here. So for example, you would need to attach a link in order for the customer or the requester to see how to solve a problem or to answer his questions. Then you can attach a link right here. Then let's say we want to attach a link. So let's just go get the link right here. Maybe go for portfolio and just go and copy a link right here, copy link address, and then we're gonna paste it right here just for an example. And text to display, we'll just go and put this as a sample portfolio right there and click on add. And as you can see, it will be prompted like this. But if you add just a link and paste it and don't add anything right there, as you can see, it will be like this. It will be messy. So I suggest that you add a text right here on text to display. So yeah, that would be really good. And let me show you just an example. Paste it, and then this is the answer just for an example. Add, and then you want to go and submit as open and go back right here. And as you can see right here, when you click on this one, it will be prompted to this link right here. So yeah, that is basically it. And then you can add other things, add attachment. You can even add some pictures or videos. You can add emojis right here, and you can even format your text. You can make it bold, underline, and so on. And then you can also go for draft mode right here if you need to make a draft. And yeah, that is basically it for this one right here. And you can see some other details right here. And you can even go click on side conversation right here, and you can just do it like this on the workspaces, but we're not gonna be dwelling into that. And from here, we're gonna go and end it right here. So click here, and you can also set the status for this one. You can go for open, pending, or solved right here. So if you have already solved this query, then click on solve, and it will be marked as solved right there. And then from here, you can see it in the recently solved tickets that you have now a solved ticket right here because you have marked this as solved. So that is basically it on the tickets. And then from here on the customers, I have already shown you how to create a customer. Click on add right there. And then you can just go here into the requester and add a user. It's basically the same here in the customer, but you can also add it manually by going here, click on add customer, and then you could have this right here. And for the organization, it's basically the same. Click add organization. You need to provide a name, maybe a sample org, and then I'm gonna go sample org and click on add, and you would have it right here. So this would be a really great one for organizations right here. And yeah, you can also have your reports right here. And just like I said earlier, when we were here in the reports, you can explore using the Explore right here because the reporting is now powered by Explore right here, this feature of the Zendesk. And yeah, you can just go and take to Explore right here so that you would be able to capture, and you can just go and explore this feature right here. But we're gonna be dwelling to that because that is a whole other topic. And then we're gonna go and do talk live right here. So here you can see the stats just like I have said right here, and you can see here the agent activity. So you would know that agent activities right here, and you can see your queue right here on the calls that you have right here. So if you remember when you were creating your account right here on Zendesk, you were asked by Zendesk on what is your primary way of contacting your customers. So if you have selected calls by calling your customers, then that is a really good one. Then you can just see it right here. But in my case, I have selected the email, so I will be reaching out to them via email right here, and I can see their info right here in customers, and I can just view my customers right here. For example, it will be this one right here, and I can see all of its info, its email, its number right here that this customer has provided me. Then I can call or send an email or maybe chat with them, and yeah, I can do all of that. And yeah, that is basically it for the beginner's tutorial of Zendesk. I hope this video helped you out.